Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button now. Today is a very special vlog because I have these random blind boxes that we are going to unbox, and most of them are limited collection only in Japan, as I had my recent trip in Sapporo, Hokkaido for my birthday trip. For those who are expecting a Pop Mart store there, you will be quite disappointed as there are no Pop Mart stores in Hokkaido, but there are some stores are selling like Loft, and we managed to get some pieces of Pop Mart items and some random gashapon. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So let me start with this random gashapon that we managed to get. And this is my first time, I guess. Actually, no. This is my second time to unbox or to show some gashapon items. If you watch my previous vlog. So I forgot already which one we get or which characters we get from this random gashapon. So let me start with the small one. So we got this one, a green one. I don't know who are the characters are, but let me show you. Oops. So, okay. This is a small one. It's like a keychain or a bag tag that you're going to use for your bag. I forgot who's the character here, but let me show you. Oh, Hunter x Hunter. So these are the lineup for Hunter x Hunter, and I forgot the name of this one because it's in Japanese character. For those who are a fan of Hunter x Hunter, please comment down below who's this character is. Let's proceed with the second gashapon. Okay, I like this one because it's a combination of purple and white. And I guess these balls are you can recycle it and use for something that you want to put inside of it. But let me check how it's so hard to open up this one. Yeah, it's so locked from side to side. Okay. Yeah, I remember now this one. It's like a poop. It's a poop character, and I don't know. I just found this one a very cute figure. And let me show you the whole item so that we are able to appreciate this more. Let me show you first the lineup from this poop character. So these are the horror monsters, but they are like different colors of poop. And it's just that we got the purple one, but I actually like to get the orange and the gold one during my gashapon collection there. And this is the purple one, and I guess this is the stand. I just don't know if this is like a magnetized one, but it's not. So what can you say about this purple poop? But it looks like a ghost and a bat because he has these bat wings on the side. Yeah, this is so like a weird stuff that I like to collect, but I don't know if you like this one as well. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with the orange one. So if you can see inside of this one, you can see the characters that we are able to get. And I found the character very creepy as I like to collect creepy figures now. So let's see. I actually not a fan of not Pop Mart items, but I want to discover different IPs or different figures. So let's see. We have here this. Oh, wow. Looks so interesting. Because, let me. Oh, this one is cute. Let me pull out all the inclusions and complete the set. Okay, so this is the stand. And this is the character. So you have to put the stand and stick at the back. And put this one here like he's floating. I'm not sure. Oh, look. She looks like a zombie, and she's wearing this oversized kimono, And there's a teacup on the head, like she's using it as a hat. Yeah, she looks so creepy. It reminds me of the bride. She looks like the Chucky bride or the I forgot the name of that bride, but yeah, she looks so creepy. What can you say about this figure, guys? Let me show you at the back part. Very nice, very interesting one. I like this one actually. Do you like it? Please comment down below. So let's proceed with my last gashapon, and I believe and I remember this is a Death Note character. If you are a fan of anime Death Note, so this is for you. So let me unbox this one now. Okay, we have this. I don't know the name. Okay, let me check. Oh, it's in Japanese character as well. So if you are a Death Note fan, you can comment down below if you like this character. But he's so cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to, or if I want to collect more of the Gashapon that I'm not familiar with. But yeah, this is for you guys. That's why this is this is the fun part of my vlog, to showcase other IPs or other figures, so that for those who are fond of other characters, you can check and comment down here. Guys, let's proceed now with the fun part, which is the blind boxes. And let me show you first my first blind boxes to unbox now. This is Sunny Angel. If you are a fan of Sunny Angel, or if you are familiar with the Sunny Angel, this is for you. I got this one during my birthday. So I decided to get one because I never unboxed a Sunny Angel before. So this is my first time, and I'm happy to unbox a Happy Birthday series. So yeah, let me show you the lineup. So they have 246 confirmed lineup, and from this confirmed lineup, I wanna get the one with the balloon, which is the round balloon, the one with the star, which is star balloon, and the heart balloon. Those with the balloon ones. And if we are able to get the secret, which has a probability of 1 over 144, and another secret which is 2 of 1 over 44. So let's see, guys. So I'm so excited because this is my first time to unbox Sunny Angel. So let's see if I'm going to like a figure of Sunny Angel, because I never collected any one of these. So let's see. And this is my birthday gift. And let me show you first the artwork of the box. It's so a very birthday gift box. And there's on the top part, there's a lot of balloons, and it says, "He may bring you happiness." Oh, I hope so. Yeah, I like the illustration, very colorful, very party vibe. So I don't know how to unbox this one. I just have to open it up here. Okay, it's so no very rare for me to unbox like this. Okay. Hmm. Is there's art card? Okay, no art card. So this is the foil packaging of Sunny Angel. So let's see which is the character, or which is the gift that I received. So one, two, three. Oh, what the? Oh, the one with the balloon star. Nice. This is so cute, actually. Look, I guess this is like a because as far as I know, most of the Sunny Angels are nude. So surprisingly, that the Sunny Angel that I have now has this like a party costume, like a yellow bird with the party hat, and she's holding this star balloon, and this is so cute. Actually, this is so nice. It's a birthday gift to me. I actually like it. It's so colorful. It's not glossy. It's matte finish. I like the color combination. It's yellow bird with this pink ruffle and purple pink party hat. I like it. I like this one. Do you like this one, guys? Please comment down below. Let me proceed with the Ziga. Let it be series. And from this lineup, I unboxed before. I had the Keeping Company. I have the Budding Life. I had this Don't Be Shy. These three I had already before. Yeah, as far as I remember. And I got another one. And this quite heavy. And I really want to get the Silly Disguise, the Not Just Cute, and the one with the burr, Secret Tears. So let's see. So I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part, because if this will be a duplicate, I'm not going to open the foil. So let's see. Let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate. And I hope I'll get my prio or a secret. Let me remove first the... Oh, this one's so small. And let me show you... Oh! This one is a new one. Planting More Hopes. Okay, I really like the art card of Siga. Actually, it's very obvious that Siga really did a very good job when it comes to artwork and the illustration. So I had this one. The one with the balloon. Wow, this one is so cute. The Planting Hope. So I never had this one, so I'm going to unfoil this. Unfoil. Okay, we have this one. It's very cute. Let me put all the inclusions. Surprisingly, this is so cute. I never thought that I will like this figure, because I cannot appreciate this in the artwork more, but surprisingly, this one is a very cute figure in an actual figure. So let's see. Let me put the balloon on the stand. This one is so cool. Look, guys. So Ziga here is planting more hopes. It's written in the balloon. I like the intricate details of the tie or the knot. And it looks like that's why Siga here is planting more hope, because it looks like the trees are dead already, and she wants to plant more trees and plant more hopes. I like the glossy finish of the hair and the balloons. It contrasts the soft matte finish of the face, and I like the blue eyes of Siga here is eye chip. Very nice. I actually like this one. So what can you say about Siga planting more hopes? Please comment down below. So let's proceed with this time machine, rolling time machine of Hachipupu. And you know what? That I like to get one by one box from this series. And I had the Bunny Snow Cone before, but it was sold already. And if you watch my previous vlog, I already unboxed the Fantasia Gashapon also. So I had a lot of figures that I want to get from this lineup, especially the secret. I want to get the Wish Catcher, the Big Bean, Little Bean. No, Big Bird, Little Bird. And I really like this one, Whack-No-Mole. So let's see. So I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part again, because if this will be a duplicate, I'm not going to open the foil again. Remove the foil. So this is the foil. Hachipupu branding. Very nice one. So this is the art card. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I never had this one. The Little Voyager. Nice one. I really like the art card. So let me unfold. So 1, 2, 3. Nice. This one's actually nice. So let me remove the plastic first. And let me show you the figure. Like Hachipupu here is wearing this I'm not sure if this is like a yacht, small yacht. And yeah, what do you call this one? The machine? The tractor? I'm not sure. So this is the Little Voyager. Very nice, very cute. Let me pull all the inclusions. And we have this one like an LC. Oh, this one is so nice. He has this hat, and I believe this is magnetized as well. And the LC toy is moving or turning like this. And this is the hat of a little sailor, and it's a magnetized one. I like this. This is cute. Very nice figure, right? Oops, I moved my camera again. So what can you say about Hachipupu Little Voyager? Little Voyager here. This one is so cute. You like this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our Molly Zootopia collaboration. I got another two, and if you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed the Clawhauser and yeah, Undercover Nick. So I really want to get Judy in uniform, Nick in uniform, Gazelle, and Flash. So let's see. These are two different weight, heavy one, light one. Let me start with the light one. But I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part because I'm afraid that I might get a duplicate, but I hope not. And if we are lucky enough to get a secret. So let's see. Okay, let me show you the art card. One, two, three. Yes, we got Gazelle. Nice. I like Gazelle. So let's see. Wow, cool. One, two, three. Yes, look how beautiful Gazelle here. As Molly. I really like this, uh, like a shimmery finish of the hair of Gazelle. It's a purple and, you know, pink to purple one. It's like a candy or a cotton candy. And I like the intricate details of the head and the horn of Gazelle. I like the shimmery finish of the outfit of Molly here. It's gold. And I like the cape of Gazelle here. Very nice. Very cute one. She's so beautiful here. Right? What can you say about Gazelle, guys? I really like this one. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next Zootopia Molly. So let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate, guys. Or please give me a secret. Oops, 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 no peeking. This one is so big. Okay. This one is so big. So let me show you the art card. One, two, three. Oh, we got Nick in uniform. I'm so happy because I'm getting what I want. I'm so excited. One, two, three. Wow, this one is so cool. Look, look how beautiful the uniform of Molly here. And I like the flat finish of Nick here. It's so nice. I already had the Nick, undercover Nick. Now I had this Nick in uniform. I'm so happy now. Very cute. And she's holding this a cup of coffee. I like the policeman uniform. Very cute. Look the details, guys. The ears, it's flat finish. The black boots. This one is so cool. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let me go with Laura. So this is Laura Sweet Monsters. You know, I actually like this one. This so very much interesting figures of Laura because surprisingly, Laura had a lot of different series, and I just found them in Hokkaido. And if you are familiar with Don Quixote, you can find them in Don Quixote stores. And I got one only from this series, but I have a lot of different series that I'm going to unbox now. So I'm not sure if I will like them in actual figure, but let's see. I really like the packaging of this one. It's very mysterious. It looks like there's a lot of monsters going on here. So this is Laura Sweet Monster series, and this is the lineup. And they have two secrets here. From the lineup, I wanna get the Vampire Mousse Cake. I wanna get this one, the White Chocolate Bone Lady, the Cookie Magicians, the Marshmallow Snow Monster. Ha! I like them all actually. Rock Sugar Fox Monster, Freshwater Monster, Afternoon Tea. They're all cute. So let's see. Whoever will be the figure from this series, I will definitely like it. And I hope it's a good quality figure. So let's see, guys. There's a lot of tape here. And let me check it out and carefully unbox this one at the bottom part because they tape it a lot. So let's see. Oops. Oh, so this is the foil. Toy City. It's a bronze copper gold foil. So our first Laura for today. 1, 2, 3. Oops, the stand. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the fox one. Huh. We're getting another fox. And she has this three-tailed fox. 1, 2, 3. And this is the head of the fox. I like it. And the color of the dress of Laura here is a flat finish material. I like the eyes of Laura here. The ponytail. It looks like the head's like a yarn of balls or ball of yarn. This one is so cool. Let me put in the stand. Okay, and this is the stand of Laura with her name. Oops, how should I put this one? It's so hard. Okay, and she's holding this. I'm not sure what kind of food is this one. Let me check it out on the art card. Okay, so this is the art card. We got Rock Sugar Fox Monster. So this looks like a fruits with the sugar. I'm not sure which is familiar street food from Korea. Yeah, I like this one and I like the art card. Very different, very cool. Let me put the stand properly. And what can you say about Laura the Rock Sugar Fox Monster? Very nice one. Very detailed figure. I like this one. And if you like this one as well, you can comment down below. Let's proceed with another Laura Wood Elf series. So the forest fairy tale world where Laura lives is a magical and beautiful place. Mushrooms together with flowers and grass, lively and lovely deer, peaceful and graceful snails are incarnated as elves having a leisurely life. I like the art card or the artwork of the box. Very cool. And this is the lineup. Very interesting figure as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. I guess 12 confirmed figures and one secret. So from the confirmed lineup, I wanna get the gold leaf snail. Oh, I wanna get the one with the crown, which is the immense forest wings. Okay, I like this Petunia fairy. Oh, they are also cute. I like the exquisite flower demon. I like golden bamboo fungus and the jungle sweet word. So let's see. I'm so excited with this figure because this is new to me and I found Laura very interesting IP. That's why I'm going to showcase some Laura's for today's vlog. I'm so excited for this figure. So one, two, three. Oh, the one that I like. Let me show you the art card. So they have different art card from this series. So we got the Petunia Fairy, Laura Wood Elves. The art card is so cool, like a, a card or a, what did you call this one? Like a postcard. So let's see. Let me put the inclusions and the stand. Oh, the other inclusion is so small that you might miss this one. So I'm going to put this one here, like she is holding this, looks like a little tulip. And let me put her on the stand. Oops, it's so hard to put this one on the stand. I don't know why. It's, okay, this one is so hard. Okay, so I'm not sure. She looks like a bud of rose here, but it's a purple one. And it's so shimmery. I like the gradient color of blue and purple. I don't know what's written in here. Is it golden or fairy? I'm not sure. So Laura here is so different. She's so magical here. She looks so elegant. She's wearing this gradient purple dress, like a upside down flower. Yeah, what can you say about this one? It's so simple. I don't know if I like it, but I like the intricate details of the flower buds. It's like, it's like a new buds of rose, and they use it as a head or hair of Laura here. Yeah, it's so interesting, but I'm not sure if I like it. But if you like this one, guys, please comment down below. And we have another Laura, which is the fashion trendsetter You Pull Overload series. And we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 confirmed figures and one secret. From this lineup, I want to get the Discipline member, the Hip Hop Diva. Oh, I like the Street Artist with the guitar. And the Longboard Queen. And the Graffiti Master. So let's see. Let's see. I'm so excited. Surprisingly, Laura has a lot of uh, series, and I just found out during my trip in Hokkaido because I never saw other Lauras online. So let's see. One, two, three. Oh, what we have here? Okay, let me put all the inclusion first. Put the stand and the handbag. I don't know which one we got here. Let me show you the art card. Oops. Oh, the art card is so nice. It's like a keychain. And there's this Laura fashion trendsetter. Like you can use this as a keychain on your bag or on your key or a bag tag. So show buyer. We got the show buyer. I like the art card. And she's holding this mini handbag here. This is so cute. Like you have to insert here. Yeah. What can you say about Laura here? Very nice. The beret is a flat finish material, soft flat finish. There's an eyeglasses here. She looks so retro. Very nice one. Very cool. What can you say about show buyer Laura? Please comment down below. So let's proceed with another Laura, and we had two from this series, the Full Fights. So Full Fight series, and I really like the illustration of this one. Very cool, very summer vibe. And from this lineup, they have 12 confirmed figures, and I wanna get, surprisingly, I wanna see the dark one or the dark skin color of Laura here, which is Hawaii Dance. And I wanna get this one, Surfer Girl. And which one I like more? This one is so cool. The Party Cheerleader and the Gravity Sweetheart. So let's see. Let's see if we are able to get our prios. And I hope I'll get a secret because, it will be fun if we're able to have a secret from this vlog. Oops! Almost see the spoiler. This one's so big. So 1, 2, 3. There's a lot of inclusion. Oops! What we have here? Told you. There's a lot of inclusions. And let me put all the inclusion first. There's one straw hat. And there's a water gun here. Oops! And the stand. And this one looks like I'm not sure if this is eyewear of Laura. Wow! A lot of things going on. And we got what we have here? Summer dots. We got summer dots. Okay, I don't know how to put everything here because there's a lot of inclusions. But let me put it for you. Okay. The straw hat. I don't know how am I going to put this one. Wow. A lot of things going on here. So let me go back first and let me take it a pause. So this is the complete figure of Laura, which is the summer dots. So what can you say about this one, guys? She looks so cool, very summer vibe, very nice figure. I like the outfit. There's a lot of polka dots going on here. And I like the figure actually, guys. If you like this one as well, please comment down below. So let's proceed with our last box for Laura. And let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate. And we got what we got before, which is the summer dots. So let's see if we are able to get another cute and beautiful figure. Oops, carefully opening this one. And I destroyed the box. Sorry. Oh no, I destroyed it. Okay. Oops. Our next Laura is 1, 2, 3. Oops. Oh, another. Oh, I guess this is the Hawaiian. I'm not sure. Yeah, we got the Hawaii dance. But wait, the skin color of Laura here is not much dark in an actual figure. Look the difference. But Laura here is so tanned with this. Oh no! Oh no! The eyeglasses is defective. Look. I should get a glue now to put this one here. Oh no, it's so sad. The eyeglass is defective. Okay, I'm going to fix that one later. So Laura here is where holding these pink pom-poms. And this one is so cute. Oops, I dropped the eyeglass now. But this one is so cute. I like this one actually. Let me put the stand for Laura. And I'm so sad that the eyeglasses is defective one. But I really like this one. I like the intricate details of the hair of Laura here with a lot of star spin, dot pins. I like the Hawaiian dress. It's very cool. I like the color combination. Very summer vibe. I'm going to put or to fix the eyeglasses, but it looks like even though without the eyeglasses, Laura here is so beautiful. So what can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with Azura. So this is a Pop Mart items, and I believe this is like, I'm not sure if this is a Japanese limited of Azura, but I never saw this one in the Pop Mart website for the Philippines. But this one is so magical. I really like the illustration of the box. Very cute, very artistically done. And this is the lineup. And they have 12 confirmed figures and one secret. From the confirmed lineup, I wanna get Aurora, Kissing Shooting Star. I wanna get Cool Lil Guy, the Embracing Stars, which is the one in the cover. I don't know who's the secret here, but let's see. I wanna see also Trouble Sleeping. Oh, I'm so excited with this one because I have some pieces of Laura. So let's see if this will be a good additional collection for my Laura lineup. Whoops. Oh, why I destroyed the box again? There's so much glue and it's so hard to open up this one. Okay, no spoiler. So one, two, three. I hope it's so beautiful. One, two, three. Okay. What we have here? And where's the art card? Wait, I can't find the art card. Okay, it's here. Oh, I can't get it out. Okay, we had the Starry Beach. Do we have here the Starry Beach? Okay, so we got Starry Beach, and yeah, Laura here is no Laura. Azura here is holding these blue stars with these blue pigeons flying around her, and she's wearing this baby blue outfit like a sailor lady, and I like the sailor hat like a beret, and she's stepping on the, I don't know if this is one like a sea of stars, and I like the pearlescent finish of the sand. It's so white, and this, I guess I can partner this one with my Instinctoy Laura, and this one is so cute. I like this one. I'm sad that I didn't get more of this. Oh, what can you say about Starry Beach of Laura here, guys? You like this one as well? There's a lot of materials that they use here. This the translucent material, matte finish. Very nice, very cute. Please comment down below if you like this one as well. Let's proceed with our last boxes. And we have this XOX Queenie. Actually, guys, I'm not sure if this is not a Pop Mart eyepiece, but I found these last two boxes sitting on the shelves, and I it looks so interesting because of the figure. I'm not sure if I will like this one, but we were collecting figures with the crowns. That's why I got interested with this, and all of them has these crowns, and they are all look so, adorable and very interesting figures. And it's so sad that there are only two boxes sitting there, and I'm not sure if I'm able to get more of this soon. But let's see if I'm able to like these figures, guys. So yeah, let me show you the let me show you the lineup. They have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Too much. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. No, not just 16. 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 confirmed figures, two secrets, and I'm not sure what is this. Is this a super secret? Wow, the figures look so interesting, guys. Look the lineup. I'm not sure how it looks like in an actual figure, but from this lineup, mm, I'm in, I'm curious about this one. They are all Japanese name. I don't know. I like this one. This one. Hmm. This one. Wait, why they all looks good together? I like this one as well. Wow, they're all so cool. So let's see. I'm so excited. I only have two. And even the artwork, the illustration of the box looks really premium. And when I saw this one, I believe there is a, acrylic case included with this figure. That's why definitely this one is a good quality figure. So let's see, guys. I'm so excited with this Queenie. Oops. Let's see, let's see. I'm so excited. And I hope I'll get beautiful ones. Oops. Look. Wow. They have this acrylic one and it's a pink one. Wow. I'm so excited, guys. And the acrylic, guys, looks quality. I really like it. Oops. I guess this is the art card. Very nice. This is the figure. I guess this is the lineup. I'm not sure what is this. Maybe the wow. Quirky Queens. I like it. They don't have English name, but this is the complete lineup. So let's see which one we are able to get. And look, we have free acrylic display. Oops, let me set aside this one first. And open up the figure. I'm so excited. So 1, 2, 3. Why? Oh, what we have here? It's like a shaker. Look, there's a lot of pearls inside with a golden crown. She looks like a hot dog here. I like the curly hair of this queen with the purple eyeglasses. And she's holding this burrito with the yellow sneakers. Let's see what we have here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We have the Queen of Pickles. So this is a pickle. Nice. And it's a shaker. Wow, this one is so cool. Let me put in the acrylic display. Okay, there's a stand. Pieces here. Nice. Look how beautiful. Very cute. It's so sad I only have two. So let's see. Do you like the Queen Pickles, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is our last box from Queenie. And we got the pickle one. So let's see if we're able to get another pickle. I guess there's a lot of pickles here. They have 1, 2, 3 pickles with the different designs. So let's see. I want to see this one as well. Oh, this one is so heavy. So let's see if we're able to get maybe a good figure or a limited one or a secret. Oops, with another acrylic display. This one is cute. Let me set aside the art card. It looks like the figure is big and heavy. We got another free acrylic display. So let's see. Our last figure for today. 1, 2, 3. Wow. This is beautiful. I like this one. It's so colorful. It's another shaker, but looks what inside of it. It's like, a stars of balls with a lot of colors. It's a pastel one. I like the finish material of the head. I like this. I really like this one. I just noticed that the paint finish and glue finish is not so good, but I like this one. and it's quite dirty. So let's see what we have. Let me open the art card. We have the Queen of Sugar. Maybe this sugar? Queen of Sugar. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. We have the Queen of Sugar. The other color. I guess they have two. I guess they have two Queen of Sugar here. Or two or three. This is the other Queen of Sugar. So, we got this one. No, we got this one. Okay. Wow, this one is so cute. I actually like this. What can you say about this one, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. And surprisingly, I unboxed a lot of beautiful figures for today's vlog. And yeah, I'm going to pick my favorites. So I'm going to put them in front. So let me show you. I really like these two from Zootopia of Molly. They are also cute and adorable. Let me put it up here. I like also the Hachipupu, surprisingly. This one. And yeah, my birthday gift from Sony Angel. I really like it. Very nice one. Also, I like Azura. I like also the Laura, which is I broke the eyeglasses. And I like the Fox Laura here. Yeah, these are so cute. And also here, this one. The creepy one. The small creepy one. Let me put here on the side. Here, in front of it. And this cute sweet sugar here. With a free acrylic display. And my final figure that I really like. Surprisingly, Ziga. I like Ziga here. Very nice, very artistically done. So guys, this is my top favorites from this vlog. So what can you say about this one, guys? If you have other favorites from what I've chose, you can comment down below. And if you had fun watching my vlog, please do like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!